If you signed up for Telegram Premium and you're considering canceling your subscription, this video is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the precise steps to cancel Telegram Premium using the @Premium bot, whether you're on the web version or the desktop app. Don't worry, it's straightforward, and I'll walk you through everything so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. First, let's open up Telegram on your desktop or head to Telegram via the web. This process works the same on both, so use whichever you prefer. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the account that has the premium subscription. Double-check that before you proceed. Now in your chat list or using the search bar at the top, look for @Premium bot. This is Telegram's official bot for handling premium subscriptions, and it's where you originally managed your payment. If you don't see it in recent chats, just type @Premium bot in the search field and it should pop right up. Take a moment to make sure it's the real bot. Telegram will usually display a verified mark so you can be sure you're not messaging a fake account. Once you have @Premium bot open, you'll be using a special command to initiate the cancellation. In the chat window, type stop exactly as it's spelled. Remember, the slash is important. This little command tells the bot you want to stop or cancel your subscription. If you're new to Telegram bots, don't worry, these commands are designed to be simple. It's kind of like telling a virtual assistant to turn something off for you. After you send stop, the bot will respond with a prompt or a set of instructions asking you to confirm your decision. This step is there to prevent accidental cancellations, so the system gives you one more chance to reconsider. Read the prompt carefully. Typically, it will ask you something like, "Are you sure you want to stop your Telegram Premium subscription?" At this point, go ahead and confirm your choice. There might be a button, or the bot may ask you to type a specific word to proceed. If you're feeling unsure, remember that you can always start over or check the Telegram Help Center for reassurance. This confirmation process is important. It ensures your premium features won't be charged for the next payment cycle. Also, keep in mind that when you cancel, you'll still keep all your premium benefits until your current subscription period runs out. So nothing disappears right away, and you can use your remaining time just as before. If you don't see an immediate confirmation after canceling, don't panic. Sometimes bots or the Telegram service take a moment to process things, especially if they're busy. Wait a few minutes, refresh your chat, and check if you received a confirmation message or email. And that's it. Once you've confirmed the cancellation with @Premium bot, your Telegram Premium will not renew and you're all set. It really is as simple as having a quick text exchange with the bot. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button to let me know, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about canceling Telegram Premium or if you run into any obstacles. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.